How does the Analyzer CAD activation keys work? Choose a subscription option of either 1 month, 3 months, or for extra convenience receive your activation key every 12 months. Next, choose how many users in your team. The more users, the more savings per user. How to insert the activation key from email. After a purchase, you will receive your first activation key by email. Use the Upgrade button in the Analyzer CAD app to add in your activation key. This will work for a full month if you are on a monthly subscription. Every 3 months if you're on a 3-monthly subscription. Or 6 months for extra convenience, or a 12-month subscription for best value. You are always in control of your activation key and users. Start now with a 30 days free trial. You can cancel at any time. Make sure you use our coupon at checkout. No extra monthly costs. Cancel subscription anytime. Free updates for life. Analyzer CAD – make cabinets in AutoCAD the easy way. Get it today on a 30-day free trial.